Move out the way, car! Ah! Did I just scream like a girl? Maybe. Are you guys gonna judge me? Probably. Do I care? Nope. Hello, beautiful people. Today, we're on the Windone S16 foldable e-bike, and we're gonna be using it for DoorDash, Grubhub, and Uber Eats. Check out the setup. This bike does come with a rear rack, and I attached a basket with a zip tie, and then my backpack onto the basket. It's a pretty small bike, so it's gonna be easy getting on and off the bike. It feels so weird carrying such a big backpack on a tiny little e-bike. If you guys didn't see my review video, I recommended this bike for people that just wanted a small and compact e-bike, because a lot of e-bikes these days are just getting bigger and bigger. And you know what's funny is there's a lot of e-bikes out there that are foldable, but they're gigantic. So it doesn't even really matter that it can fold, because you can fold it up and it probably still won't even fit in your trunk. Maybe an SUV, but this bike is foldable and it's still small. So it's actually compact. Let me turn on my apps here. Let's see if we can make a few bucks. Okay, we just got an order from DoorDash. Let's see what our first order is gonna be. Oh, it's a $4.75 order. Very low, but it's only 0.4 miles away. And it's pretty much just across the street. So I'm gonna accept that one. Thank you. This bike doesn't have any rear suspension, but it's not that bad because it's still got fat tires. Even though they're smaller in diameter, the width is still 4 inches, so it'll absorb some bumps. But we're still gonna go around these speed bumps right here. Customer said the gate's open already, so I don't need a code. That means any trespasser can come in. Cha-ching, cha-ching, we just made our first delivery. So that order was $4.75. The base was $3.25, and the customer tip was $1.50. I didn't think there was gonna be a tip, but the tip was $1.50. I'll take it. Money is money. So how y'all doing today? Right now, at the filming of this video, it is November 24th. So we just got an order for Uber Eats. 11:35 for almost 6 miles. Nope, too far. Yeah, so we're in November, and it is a beautiful month. I love delivering during this time of year because the leaves start changing colors and the sunsets are a little bit earlier, so you can really enjoy some nice scenery. I can only imagine places that isn't California. Man, you guys must have some beautiful trees over there. You know what I'm talking about? Where the leaves are like red, orange, and yellow. We have some of that over here too, but just not as much. Tends to be a little more dry in California. Ooh, we just got a good order. $7.75 for 0.8 miles. But it does say the total will be higher. So I'm definitely excited to see what that's gonna be. To be honest, it's probably just gonna be $8, but we'll see. This bike already feels pretty solid, and I would only do one upgrade to it. If this was my main commuter, I would probably change out the seat. The seat does feel pretty hard, but luckily it uses a traditional bicycle saddle. So you can get a pretty good one on Amazon for pretty cheap. It looks kind of weird using such a small bicycle, but taking up a whole parking space. I bet someone's gonna be pissed off about that. Thank you. Hi, I'm paying for laundry, Nancy. Hi, Jasmine.
Hey, Andy.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Okay, good, thank you. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. 0.9 miles away. Let's get this money. Honestly, I should have started deliveries a little earlier. Then there'd be less cars on the road. Crunchy leaves, crunchy leaves. Lean, 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 lean. Driving on this bike is so fun. It's so light and low to the ground. Coming up to the suggested stop sign. Dude, check out all these trees. Look at this. It's like I'm in Big Bear. Can you guys see this? Look at this view. Look at all these pine trees. Oh, almost missed the house. I almost missed you, Nancy. I was enjoying the trees a little too much. Alright, the base pay for that order was $3.75, and the customer tipped $5. Instead of the total being $7.75, it was actually $8.75. Thank you, Nancy. I appreciate you. We just got a Panda Express order. It's like $7 for about a mile, but it also said that the total will be higher. So let's see how much food there is. There is quite a bit of food. Got some egg rolls, some cream cheese ragoons, a whole plate, a soda. Maybe that $7 will become 10. Maybe if we're lucky. You got to let the mom and her child walk by. Everybody already hates e-bikes. You don't want a kid to hate an e-bike. Come on. Come on now. Hello. Hi, Moran. Good, how are you? Very good. Yeah, so I think the name's Jessica. Yeah, Jessica. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good one. You guys aren't open on like Thanksgiving, right? You guys aren't open on Thanksgiving, are you? Okay.
No, all the pandas are closed.
Okay. Oh, do you know if the mall's open or no?
The mall's closed.
Got it. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So apparently the mall's gonna be closed on Thanksgiving. I was just wondering, in case I wanted to work a little bit. I probably wouldn't be able to anyways because I got my fiance's Thanksgiving and my own family, so I'm juggling 2 Thanksgivings. Yesterday I went to a Friendsgiving, so it was 3 Thanksgivings. But yeah, if I work on Thanksgiving Day, my fiance might stab me. That'll be the end of Raspy Rides. Shit. Speed bump. Thankfully we don't have any coffees on us. Suggested stop sign. California roll. Did you guys see that dog staring at me through the door? At least it wasn't barking. Man, it was a little scary. I think he was a little more curious, if anything. Seemed like a cute, friendly little doggy. Not that little, but cute. So that order was $9. It said 7, so we got $3 more than what was expected. So that puts us at a total of $22.50. And we worked for about an hour. So $22 an hour. Not terrible. Not amazing. Not terrible. That's all on DoorDash. Nothing on Grubhub or Uber Eats yet. Sometimes it be like that. When one app does great, the other ones do shitty. Ooh, we got security out here. I wonder what happened. One of the security officers was holding a TV, and one of the women that was standing there was also holding a TV. I wonder if they were trying to steal a TV. Damn, just when I was about to get some coffee, got an order. $3 for 244 feet. Nope. I rejected that order because I didn't feel like going in the mall. I think that order was gonna take me to one of those kiosks. Time for a coffee union break. Alright, looks like we got our first Grubhub order. 2.2 miles for $8.25 from Del Taco. I'm taking it. Yeah, this street's kind of busy right now. I'm not gonna ride in the street. It's a little scary. I'm gonna stick to side streets and sidewalk, at least until we get to a bike lane. Move out the way, car! Ah! Charlie! Did I just scream like a girl? Maybe. Are you guys gonna judge me? Probably. Do I care? Nope. We here at Del Taco, home of the tacos. Picking up for Tom. Tom?
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alrighty, we got our Grubhub order. Now our drop off is 1.1 mile away. But I'm probably gonna wrap it up after this delivery. Maybe if we get one more, I'll take it. I only want us to be out here for a couple hours. Just trying to make some beer money, you know. Left turn and sidewalk action. Opening on a driveway. Gotta be careful with those, man. One time I was on a regular bicycle, like just a basic pedal bike, and I was on the sidewalk because I was on a busy street, but I was going a little too fast and the car pulled out. Oh, here's our customer. Hey, how's it going? Good, good. There you go. Can I just take a picture of the order real quick?
Yeah,
Oh, cool. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. Dude, I appreciate you, man. Hey, thank you. The customer just gave us $10. He gave us 2 5s. Jeez. So $10 plus the original payment on the Grubhub app, which was $8.25. So $8.25 plus $10, $18.25. Jeez, that's a lot of money for Del Taco order. Going only 1 mile. Man, I got blessed with that one. Woo! That's a lot of monies, man. $18 make me holla. As I was saying earlier, I was riding on the sidewalk with my pedal bicycle and a car pulled out of the driveway. I braked really hard and I flew over the handlebars. And that was just with a regular pedal bike. I was probably only going like 10 miles per hour. That's why you always gotta slow down and check when you see those driveways, man. Ooh, we just got another Grubhub order. Super Mex, 2.1 miles for $7.87. I'm gonna take it. That's my last order. Let's go get this money. Hi, picking up for Dinesh. Thank you. Dinesh, cool. Thank you. You too. Dude, the turning radius on this bike is amazing. Look at that. Perfect for moving the bike in tight spaces, like what you guys just saw me do. Cutting through, cutting through. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Thank you. Let's go make this money, money. It's a good thing this is our last order. My buns are starting to hurt. I definitely need a softer seat. Can I take a picture of it real quick? Okay, so that order was $7.87 and the customer tipped $3. Let's pull over so we can go over some of the numbers. So on Grubhub we made $16.12 plus the $10 cash tip. And on DoorDash we made $22.50 and 0 on Uber Eats. So total is $48.62. So we worked for about 2 hours and that makes our hourly wage to be about 24 bucks an hour. Pretty good, not terrible. Our Relive app says that we did 12.4 miles, but I turned that on late, so let's add another mile. So it was 13.4 miles, and we have 3 out of 5 bars left. So that's pretty good. Not bad. Not bad at all. This e-bike was pretty peppy. It's pretty fun to work with. I'm gonna end this video here. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Please give this video a thumbs up and a like. Subscribe if you want. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.